Welcome to this explainer. Let's shatter some massive volcanic myths and uncover the real geological threats.
First up, is the Yellowstone supervolcano gearing up to end the world today?
Nope, not a chance. Ignore the internet doom scrolling, guys.
The official USGS alert level is totally normal. It's sitting firmly in the green.
Actually, Yellowstone's magma isn't a giant liquid tank. It's more of a shallow, rocky mush.
To gauge real explosive danger, scientists use the Volcanic Explosivity Index to track historical cataclysms.
A massive VEI-8 eruption blasts out over 1,000 cubic kilometers of debris. Thankfully, they're rare.
Our real, immediate threats are the 16-decade volcanoes. We monitor these closely because they threaten millions.
Forget slow-moving Hollywood lava. The actual hidden killer is a lahar, a massive, rapid volcanic mudflow.
Check this out. Mount Rainier's lahar pathways point directly at heavily populated areas in Washington state.
These terrifying slurries of rock, mud, and water easily hit speeds of 50 miles per hour.
So, what about volcanic ash?
You might think it's just harmless, fluffy campfire dust, right?
Wrong. It's literally tiny shards of glass and rock that absolutely shred human lungs and eyes.
In Mexico, elders revere Popocatépetl spiritually, while the youth focus strictly on the scientific hazards.
To avoid confusion, officials use a simple volcanic traffic light system to blast out danger alerts.
But for millions near that volcano, being stuck in the yellow alert zone is just everyday life.
Now, moving beyond mud and ash, what happens when a highly dangerous volcano is underwater?
If Japan's heavily watched Iwo Jima explodes, it could unleash a devastating 25-meter-high tsunami. Over in Europe, scientists map these crazy probabilities using incredibly complex tsunami hazard curves.
These interactive maps calculate extreme flood heights to shield vulnerable Mediterranean coastlines from sudden disaster.
Which brings us to the big question. How do we actually engineer survival against nature's fury?
In Indonesia, they build these massive empty Sabo dams just to catch Mount Merapi's deadly sediment flows.
Near Mount Rainier, high-tech acoustic monitors give nearby towns just 40 frantic minutes to evacuate.
But remember, all this high-tech monitoring only works if the science is actually communicated to you. With millions living right in the volcanic shadow, are we truly prepared or simply